Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jan and we're in sunny Bulgaria. Today we are going to a village which is called Kovachevitsa, and from the previous video you probably noticed that we will be going to that village. It is about 30 minutes from Delchev, another town which we visited for a little bit, and this is very authentic village where they have old houses and they preserved from the old days, and it's very typical, very traditional Bulgarian villages style. So I wanted you to show because this is the very beautiful spot and it's like picture perfect, you would say. You can do cards from this point. It's very nice views. I want you to enjoy it, guys. So my dear friends, I'm showing you a little bit closer. Look at these houses. So that's the authentic traditional houses, the style for this area. That's what the villages are supposed to look like, and I wish that all the villages would look like just like this one. Look at this, very pretty, all the houses looking amazing. Like I'm saying, it might not be exactly this village. It shows still about 10 minutes to get there, but I'm sure it is because this is probably just a view from a bit from afar. So really nice, looks so pretty, so very cool. Now you know what real Bulgaria looks like, guys. It's the southeast. I think southwest or southwest. I always make a mistake, west and east. Okay, guys, we are starting. You can see a closer look. Well, some of the houses are a bit abandoned, but some are nicely done. And this is what I'm going to show you closer there. You see, that's the typical, the bricks. That's it made like, right? Really cool. I think very quiet in here, nice. The time has stopped. A little bit views of the mountains. Okay guys, we just driven a little bit further. I will be back to the other place because I think the other one looked more authentic, and this is already maybe a newer part of it, because I can see that this is a little bit more nowadays typical Bulgarian houses compared to those ones we saw which are made completely from the stones, you saw, and the roofs are made from the stones and the walls, and this one's a little bit looks newer to me. But if you will be in this area, so as you see, you just drive a little bit further and you will end up in this place where you can obviously walk around and explore by yourself too. So but the views are quite amazing from here. Okay guys, a bit more panoramic views of the other side. You can see the mountains, the Delchev, another town that stayed underneath there. It's surrounded by the mountains, and look, we have beautiful views of the mountains here, and we have still snow on top of the mountains. It's probably where Banska is. We right now I'm making a video in June. I'm not sure when you're going to see it, guys. It's the beginning of June. You see it's still snow out there, and beautiful mountains. Look at that, so pretty. We have a bit more clouds now. Okay, guys. Well, we are continue our walk. I hope you're really enjoying it just as much as I enjoy it. And this is so feeling like you are back in past, right? And really cool. You even here they have beans, right? Look, they have baskets for the beans. That's like pretty cool. So no roads, obviously have no cars, it's all like stones. And it's a real authentic mountain Bulgarian village. This is so cool. I like places like this, guys. This is just amazing. If you really want to get into something like this and the feeling of the history, I feel like it would be nice to wear some traditional Bulgarian outfit and just walk around the streets and imagine you're back in time, and also like you're in a movie. It's like a movie set. I can't believe it how cool it is. So you can imagine that it's like really nice. I really enjoying it. If you like places like this, come here, you will enjoy this. I'm telling you, you would really love it. I know you probably would really love also to go pop up into one of the houses to see what actually inside it looks like. I don't know if there is, maybe they do have it for tourists, some example, but I don't see it like this obvious. Can you go in or not? Because, well, it's Sunday. I don't know, everywhere I can see it's all closed. I think people actually live here, so it's not just like a museum or something. So because I see they have woods in the yards to obviously warm up the places in winter. So, but it would be really nice to go inside, isn't it? Would have been really cool to do so. So let's walk a little. I don't know how would they walk here when it's rainy. It's probably going to like sit on your ass and jump bump down. So I don't know. We went in. Remember in Melnik, it was also very beautiful, but it was the smallest town. This is the village. So, but this is so cool. It's just a little bit far away, long drive, like nearly 2 hours drive from Sandansky, but it's worth it. So just come to this place. You're definitely going to like it if you like places like this. Okay, guys, a little bit more views. Actually, you can buy those houses. They're for sale. I was just hoping maybe they would be a little bit, if I'll get closer, maybe I could look inside to see something. No, I still can't see anything. If it's possible or not to look inside. You see this some wood prepared for winter, a little bit top, the balcony. I don't know, I don't think anybody lives in this one, but beautiful view from here once again. And I'm saying you need to be a little bit careful if you have walking problems. It's like really hard to walk up. So that's why I guys go for you, okay? And show you all these beautiful places. I'm just trying not to fall because they're very slippery. Oh, lots of flies and bees. Okay, and I think lizards are running around, and it's like making a oh, it's a bit scary. Just thinking like, no snakes, please, no snakes. Be careful. Yes, they do have snakes here, and some of them are quite poisoned. Not in this particular area. They like a little bit warmer places. This one is a little bit cooler, so I think I'm fine. Look at this again. The roofs made of stones. Okay, let's see a little bit the other side. What's on the other side? This is very sleepy, I think. That road, street. Okay, my dear friends, well, that's it. I hope you really enjoyed our walk around one old traditional Bulgarian village, typical village in this area, Blagoevgrad Oblast. And if you really like it, don't forget to subscribe, like, and I see you later. Bye everyone!